What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Loom network, which has once again pumped up in value 28% up in the last 24 hours, making it just about 9 cents. But the pump didn't come from the last 24 hours. In fact, it did come from the last couple of hours. Early this morning it decided to pump up from about 6 cents all the way up to 9 cents, nearly hitting, well, it did hit the 10 cents about an hour or two ago from when I'm recording this video. So yeah, where is this crypto heading to next? Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Is it time to buy, sell, hold, so on and so on, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high or how low this crypto can go, and is it worth investing into it. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just about nothing really, 0.006%, and over the last hour itself, Loom network has dropped 10% in value in just an hour, which is quite major. However, when you look at the overall daily chart, it is still up 24%. And as I always say, whenever you see a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time on any crypto, it has to take a little breather, it has to take a little step back, and that is exactly what this graph is showing us. Over the week, a massive 97% up. We did see a pump up in value earlier on in September, earlier this week, even Monday, as you can see here, about nearly 16 cents in target and going up about 254%, and it has dropped ever since, but right now it is pumping back up in value, and over the month is an overall 65% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 52% in the last 24 hours, making it $145 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Loom network. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it's been getting a lot of attention over the last couple of days. And if we look here, we've got a massive 82% buy against 18% sell. So yeah, we've got a way more investors than sellers at this point. A lot of people are buying into the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart on the daily chart and the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loom network, which at the moment is 6 cents. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at 9 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer as usual, guys. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into here, we can see that the blue line is slightly slanting towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, which I'm expecting Loom network to be fluctuating at around 8 to 9 cents is where I'm expecting it to fluctuate around, with very minimal dips and peaks in between. We are going to see red candles and green candles, but the overall outcome seems to be neutral, so more or less fluctuating at the current price range. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the coming days. So let's say by mid next week, we should be at a slightly higher value than what it's worth at the moment. But again, it's not going to be a major pump or a major increase in value or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. And again, that doesn't mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green, up and down. But the overall outcome, once again, it seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? As you can see, the blue line and the orange line are once again looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the next couple of weeks. I'm saying, let's have a look around. Let's say late October to early November, we should expect it to be trading above the 12 to 14 cents target. We've still got a good 6-7 weeks left for that time, so we should see some increases in value. However, this depends on how the crypto market performs. As you guys would probably know by now, the crypto market has been very volatile over the last few months, especially Bitcoin with dropping, pumping. Even in the last few days as well, we've seen major increases, major pumps, and major decreases in value on Bitcoin itself. So again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs with any major crashes and bull runs and so on. These things are not expected, but as you guys know, I try my best to keep you guys updated as soon as I can and as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, so far so good, guys. Loom network seems to be going up in value. Again, whenever I say up in value, guys, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase. It is going to be a minimal increase in value. So make sure you get that in your mind before you guys start putting your money into Loom network, hoping to get a huge return on investment. Anyways, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are trading in the green zone. So it's been up and down a lot of times between the red and the green zone. There was a time when we hit the dark green zone as well. This was about 3 days ago, hitting about 16 cents in target, but we straight away dropped back down into the red zone. And right now we are currently trading in the green zone. I am expecting us to drop into the red zone later on today. So more or less fluctuate around that resistance target, which is this line here at 9 cents. So fluctuating around the 9 cents target is what I'm expecting. So hovering around this resistance target, we should be over the next couple of hours and days as well, and potentially heading upwards into the green zone and staying into the green zone towards, let's say, by mid next week and for the rest of September as well. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loom network. I've seen a lot of comments saying it's going to hit the dollar mark, but guys, before the dollar mark, we need to focus on the 50 cents target, which again, we've still got a long way to go for it to hit the 50 cents target. About a good 500 to 600% increase for us to hit that target, which I'm not expecting from Loom network anytime soon. Potentially towards the end of the year, we may be able to hit the 50 cents target, depending on how the crypto market performs and specific how Loom network performs. You guys have asked for regular updates on this crypto, which I will be doing. So make sure you stay subscribed to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Loom network, guys. Let me know how high you guys predict this crypto to go in 2022. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to like, subscribe, share and comment, as I'm trying to hit the 100k subscriber target by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.